Hello viewers, I've put in my ogbono. The ogbono is boiling, or that is cooking. The ogbono is cooking and the aroma is I'm inviting you to come and join me and perceive this aroma of palm kernel and ogbono. Very sweet. I haven't finished, so I have not put in my leaf. I made okazi leaf here. Here is okazi leaf. Here is my okazi leaf here. And here is ugu leaf. I have ugu leaf here. And here is bitter leaf. I want to slice or cut the bitter leaf because they are very long. I want it to be short. So I'm using 3 leaves plus uziza leaf. Already I have put in my uziza leaf, and the uziza leaf is cooking. So I'm using 4 leaves in this soup. Bitter leaf, ugu leaf, and okazi leaf. Very delicious. Let me finish and you will see my soup. Palm kernel soup. Thank you for watching my video.